Hi, Leo. It's so nice to see you.
Hi, Mia. It's great to see you too.
How are you today?
I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm good, thank you. I'm really hungry today.
Me too. I'm excited to eat.
This restaurant looks clean and cozy.
Yes, I've heard the food is very good.
Let's sit near the window.
Good idea. I like this table.
There are so many delicious foods here.
Yes, I don't know what to choose.
What do you usually eat at a restaurant?
I usually order a burger or grilled chicken.
I like chicken too, but today I want pasta.
Pasta sounds delicious.
What are you going to drink?
I think I'll have iced tea.
I'll have orange juice.
Great choice.
I think I'm ready to order.
Me too.
I'm going to have chicken pasta and a small salad.
Nice. I'll have a cheeseburger with French fries.
That sounds really good.
Maybe we can share our food.
That's a great idea.
So, how has your week been?
It's been busy but good.
What have you been doing?
I've been studying English every day.
That's wonderful.
I listen to English podcasts every morning.
Really? Does it help?
Yes, it helps me understand English better.
Do you practice speaking too?
Yes, I speak to myself and repeat English sentences.
That's a smart way to practice.
What about you?
I watch English videos and try to speak with my friends.
That's great. Practice makes us better.
Exactly. We shouldn't be afraid of making mistakes.
I agree. Every mistake teaches us something. Our food looks amazing.
Yes, I can't wait to eat.
My pasta smells wonderful.
My burger looks big and juicy.
Let's start eating.
Wow, this burger is delicious.
My pasta is creamy and tasty.
Would you like to try my burger?
Sure, thank you.
Here you go.
Wow, it's really good.
Can I taste your pasta?
Of course.
This is delicious too.
I'm glad you like it.
What's your favorite food?
I love pasta, pizza, and grilled chicken.
Nice. I love burgers and fried rice.
Do you cook at home?
Sometimes, but I'm not very good cook.
That's okay. Cooking takes practice.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I cook with my family every weekend.
What's your best dish?
Chicken soup.
I'd love to try it someday.
You're welcome anytime.
I'm still a little hungry.
Me too. Should we have dessert?
Absolutely.
I want chocolate cake.
Great. I'll have chocolate cake too.
And maybe a cup of coffee.
I'll have hot tea.
Perfect.
That was a wonderful meal.
Yes, everything was delicious.
How should we pay?
Let's split the bill.
Sounds fair.
Thank you for having lunch with me.
Thank you too. I really enjoyed our conversation.
Today was fun.
Yes, good food and good company.
We should come here again next week.
Definitely.
Next time, let's invite more friends.
Great idea.
Have a safe trip home.
You too.
Keep practicing your English.
I will. You too.
See you next time.
See you. Bye.
Bye.